Hi, I'm Monster 1970, and this is the 2000 Yamaha PW50. Right here you have your throttle, of course. This is your front brake. This is your rear brake. Here is your kill switch. You have your run position, you have your start, and there's also a choke up here. Your fuel shut off is right here. That's off. That's on. I've installed some new foot pegs on here. Also eliminated the oil injector pump because it had failed before and someone had taken the gear off. So there was a block off plate in there, and here is where you add the oil to the crankcase. 10W40 I put in it, full synthetic, and then on here it tells you exactly how much to put in there. 300 cubic meters. That's what it looks like. Also the manual shows how much to put in it. Here's the exhaust where it comes out, stock exhaust. This one now, instead of having the injector pump, of course, you put straight mix in it. So we'll see if it'll start. Put it down to the start position. Put this on to the on. The fuel. Try kicking it. There we go. Didn't need any choke. There we go. Maybe I'll put it up on start now. See? Back on run. Shouldn't need choke. Let's try choke. To bring the idle up a little bit. Okay, I had to bring the idle up a little bit. Make sure the idle screw is right there. That seems to be running fine. There you go. That's the 2000 Yamaha PW50. I think that pretty much covers it, except for the air filter. Air filter's down in here. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.